Hello and welcome to this episode of Ben Stock Trades, and I hope this is an exciting one for you. One of the most important parts of trading isn't just a strategy, it's execution consistency. Specifically, how you translate risk into position size, and how quickly you can execute that without introducing manual error. In this workflow, I've automated that process using TradingView, Keyboard Maestro, and Stream Deck covered in a previous video here on Ben Stock Trades. The goal isn't to trade for you, it's to remove friction between your risk model and the market. I'll walk you through how the system is structured. This is my trading setup where I don't calculate contracts anymore. I don't type risk, I don't do the math. I press one button and my entire trade size, stop loss, and take profit is built automatically. Let me show you how this works. Problem setup. If you trade futures, you already know the problem. One mistake in contract sizing and your entire risk model breaks. Most traders are still manually calculating the stop distance, dollar risk, and contract size, then entering orders separately, and that delay is where the mistakes happen. System overview. So I built a three-part automation stack. TradingView indicator, which calculates last 30-second volatility and converts it into usable stop distance, then outputs contract size based on risk in dollars. Keyboard Maestro reads preset risk values, then stores templates. And finally, Elgato Stream Deck then comes in for the one button, one trade setup for the long or short breakout scalps. TradingView demo. This indicator is a foundation. It measures volatility over the last 30 seconds, but instead of just showing range, it converts it into trading decisions. So if I risk $200, this system automatically calculates the exact contract size for MES in this case. Keyboard Maestro automation. Now here's where it becomes more powerful. Keyboard Maestro acts as my trading brain outside of TradingView. Example workflows, $50, $100, $200, or whatever risk mode you feel comfortable with. Each preset updates my trading plan instantly. It doesn't guess, it follows rules. Stream Deck execution. Now the final layer, execution. This is my Stream Deck. The buttons, long setup, short setup, add a contract, subtract a contract, set the trading panel, set take profits in USD based on my comfort level for risk settings, apply contract size from the indicator, one press fills everything, entry, take profit, and contract size based on real-time volatility. Real talk. This doesn't make trading easier, it makes execution cleaner. You still need a strategy, this just removes the human errors in sizing and order placement. The result? The biggest change? I don't hesitate anymore. I don't overthink position size. I just execute. If you want, I can break down exactly how to build the system step by step. Keyboard Maestro macro setups, Stream Deck layouts, with Stream Deck to execute on the macro setups. And if you found this video helpful, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to Ben Stock Trades, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future trading tutorials. Please feel free to also comment if there's any subject you would like me to make a video about in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.